In today's video, I'll show you how to check block emails in Microsoft Teams. This basically means to check the emails of the person that you have blocked recently or have blocked a long time ago in Microsoft Teams. So if you want to see that, what you at first have to do is just go ahead and just open up your Microsoft Teams software, or just open up any of your browser and open up Microsoft Teams over there. And after you're in Microsoft Teams, what you have to do is just beside your profile picture, click on the three dot icon, which stands for Settings and More. Just click on it, then just click on Settings. Then after you're in Settings, what you have to do is just go to the left-hand menu. From here, you're gonna find a bunch of options. You have to go inside People. And after you're in People, you're gonna find two options such as Sync Contact and Block Users. The block users option will show the blocked users you won't be able to call, message you, or be in presence in team with you. So if you want to see that blocked user list, just click on Manage. And from here, you can see the person and list of people who you have blocked previously. As you can see, it says here, blocking a user prevents you from seeing their messages. They'll be able to see any content you sent in a group, including messages and files. So these are the list of person that you have blocked. You can either unblock them or delete them. And basically that is it. And you can close it from here. And basically that is how to check blocked emails on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.